Hey everyone, this is Cade Larson, and this class is AEP 800, and this is mini assignment number 3. So this is my third app or website, if you will, that I found to kind of help out and make things easier on us and our students. And this is Padlet. The So once you log in and you click create a Padlet, this will pop up for you to modify. So I just named it. I'll name it Larson's math class, and it's math notes. You can make an icon. You have an address, so you can copy this address. You can send it out to all your students, and they can get on this Padlet. So with our distance learning potential coming back again, this could be a great way for questions to get asked, and for you to answer questions, and for others to answer questions for you. Um, so you can send it out to all your kiddos, and then they get on here and ask you any question you might have. We'll go into that in a little bit. But you can click a wallpaper, whatever color scheme you want. Um, you can change where you want the post to appear. Um, you can allow or not allow comments. If you just want it to be more of a post board for you to get info out to your students, you can turn off comments. I'll leave mine on. Um, you can also filter profanity, so this will keep with, kids being kids. You don't want them on here cussing up a storm or anything like that, so that's a great thing to have there. So then you just hit save, and you can close your settings, and you can come in here, go ahead and write something. You can title it. We can say day 1 notes maybe. And then we can just type whatever we want here. So today we went over equations. Then you click off of it, and once you click off of it, it'll pop up like that. And then any of your students with the password and the link to this can go ahead and add a comment. So, okay, awesome. And then it's posted to it, and everyone can see it. So this is Padlet. I think it could be a great thing for collaboration, even if we are in school classrooms rather than this online learning. I think this would be a great way to have your kids ask questions that maybe they're a little too shy to come up and ask you. Maybe they want to do something like this where they can just type it up and you can answer it on there. So this would be a great thing to have. If you have any questions, the link is right up here in the top left, and you can ask me any questions you have, or you can just find out for yourself. It's pretty easy. So thank you.